The Thief, His Wife and the Canoe is airing on ITV from Sunday, April 17. The TV series recalls an extraordinary and unbelievable sequence of events that saw John Darwin, played by Eddie Marsan, attempt to claim his life insurance money. Express.co.uk has all you need to know about how many episodes are in the show. How many episodes are in The Thief, His Wife and the Canoe? The series airs its first episode at 9 p.m. on Sunday and the remaining episodes will air on consecutive days. And Darwin, Monica Dolan, reveals to her husband the extent of their mounting debt. John is convinced he has the perfect solution, which is to pretend he died in a canoeing accident. Wanting to avoid bankruptcy, he was convinced he would be able to claim his own life insurance. Yet his flawed plan came back to bite him, as viewers will learn across the 4 episodes. The miniseries will see the 4 installments air from Sunday to Wednesday. The episodes will also be able to watch via the ITV Hub. And Darwin narrates the series and viewers learn how she became complicit in her husband's deception. She managed to convince everyone her husband had gone missing in 2002, whilst he was canoeing out at sea. For 5 years the couple managed to deceive the world before their scheme was exposed. They were pictured at a Panama real estate office in July 2006 and this evidence eventually caught them out. The 4-part drama was inspired by a memoir written by journalist David Lee, who reported on the real-life case. He was able to contact Anne as she was about to start a new life for herself in Panama. Writer Chris Lang said it was the extraordinary plan by this very ordinary couple from Hartlepool that caught his attention. He said, their story was also very unusual in the sense that it was undeniably tragic, but also, on occasion, bleakly funny. As a screenwriter, that is very fertile ground. The real Darwins did not contribute to the making of the TV adaptation. However, there was plenty of information in the public domain to ensure the full story was covered. Anne has written her own book, whereas John is now living in the Philippines and is remarried. The series was based on real press interviews and police records, and interviews by journalist Lee. Speaking about what he wanted viewers to take away from the series, John actor Marsan said, I think people may come away with a bit of empathy for Anne, but less so for John. Especially during lockdown, lots of us have faced financial difficulty and circumstances we can't control. What this story does is take that to an extreme. Lots of us face financial difficulties, but we don't come up with such extraordinary solutions. At her trial, Anne argued she had been coerced by her husband, but she was found guilty. Both she and her husband were jailed for more than 6 years.